Have you heard about Pi Network? It is the newest way to mine cryptocurrency right from your phone. As of today, one Pi is valued $77 on Coinmarketcap and $65 on CoinGecko. Remember when Bitcoin came out, a lot of people don't believe in it, and as of today, one Pi is valued at $99,000. So people that hold Bitcoin today are millionaires and billionaires, and this is the evolution of Pi, and we want to join the moving train early. Okay, so mining Pi is very simple and very straightforward, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. To get started, all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store and install the Pi Network app, or you simply click on the link in the description of this video. So let's dive in. Clicking on the link in the description will bring you to the Pi Network official website. Please take note of your referral code. Then what you are going to do is to click on download Pi app now. When you click on download Pi app now, it will take you to your Google Play Store where you can actually install the app. So once in your Google Play Store, click on install and wait for the app to finish installing. Once it's finished installing, then you want to tap on open. Wait for the app to open. Once it has opened, you have the option to register with either your Facebook profile or your phone number. But I recommend you use your phone number because hackers are really hacking people's Facebook accounts in the name of Pi. So you want to be sure that your account is protected. But if you have two-factor authentication set up for your Facebook profile, it's fine. You can go ahead and use your Facebook profile. Otherwise, please use your phone number. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to continue with a phone number. Okay, I'm going to continue with the option of continue with phone number. So tap on it and continue. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Input your phone number. Please be sure not to include the first zero of your phone number. For example, if your phone number starts with 070, start your phone number as 70. If your phone number is 040, start with 40. So omit the first zero. Then once you've selected your country, you input your phone number, just tap on submit. Next, input a valid email address. Verify your email address by typing it again and tap on next. Then you want to create a strong password. Verify your password by typing it again. Once it is acceptable, then you want to click on submit. Now it's time to set up your account. Please be sure to provide the right information. So input your legal first name, input your legal second name, and choose a username. Please, for your first and second name, do not use any nickname. Otherwise, you won't be able to claim your Pi. Be sure the information you are providing here tallies with the information on your national ID card or your international passport, because you are going to verify all this information later on. Okay, so provide the required information and tap on submit. Solve the captcha and click on verify. Submit. Your invitation code is WebWealth. Please be sure to use the invitation code so that you can get one Pi for free. Or else, if you didn't type anything there, you are going to start from zero. So be sure to use your invitation code, which is WebWealth. Once you are done, please be sure to join the WhatsApp group. Congratulations, guys. So you just set up your Pi account successfully. So the next thing is for you to start mining. Mining is very simple. For you to start mining, we are going to click on that 0 Pi per hour. That is where you come to. Whenever you log in every day, you click on it and start mining. It is as simple as that. Be sure to join my WhatsApp group where you can relate with other Pi and contributors in the community. You get all your questions answered, and then we can support one another to grow. In the next video, I'm going to be walking you through the next stage, which is setting up the mainnet checklists. So that's going to be for the thank you so much, guys, for watching. Be sure to join the WhatsApp group so that you can get all the help and support you need. See you guys in the next video.